Hello, my name is Kisara Subudjing. This is Apinava Samit, Kendira Janto, Mesa Siyawong, Mehavalai Wong Tafa. So today we are going to present about one variable linear equality. Okay.
In this example, we need to solve the inequality 5 times x minus 4 is greater than 3x plus 8. First, we multiply it out. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. So the inequality becomes 5x minus 20 is greater than 3x plus 8. Next, we move 3x to the left side. 5x minus 3x is 2x. At the same time, we move minus 20 to the right side, and it becomes plus 20. So now we have 2x is greater than 28. Then we divide both sides by 2, so x is greater than 14. In this example, we need to solve the inequality. Negative 3 is less than the fraction 2x plus 1 over 2 and less than or equal to 7. First, we start with the inequality. Negative 3 is less than 2x plus 1 over 2 and less than or equal to 7. To remove the denominator, 2 we multiply every part of the inequality by 2 that gives us negative 6 is less than 2x plus 1 and less than or equal to 14. To remove the denominator, 2 we multiply every part of the inequality by 2 that gives us negative 6 is less than 2x plus 1 and less than or equal to 14. Next, we subtract 1 from all sides, so negative 7 is less than 2x and less than or equal to 13. We divided everything by 2, we get x is greater than negative 7 over 2 and less than or equal to 13 over 2. So the solution is all real number greater than negative 7 over 2 but less than or equal to 13 over 2. On the graph, we draw an open circle at negative 7 over 2 and a closed circle at 13 over 2 with a line connecting them.
This problem says that there are 3 exams. The first score exam is 185 and the second score is 205. We need to find the minimum score in the third exam so that the average is at least 200. First, we know the formula for the average. Add all numbers scored together and divided by number of exams. So we write 185 plus 205 plus x all divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 200. Next, we add the norm score 185 plus 205 equals 390. So the equation becomes 390 plus x over 3 is greater than or equal to 200. Now, to make it simpler, we multiply both sides by 3 that gives us 319 plus x is greater than or equal to 600. Then we move 319 to the other side, so x is greater than or equal to 210. This means the student must score at least 210 in the third exam in order to make the average not less than 200.
Thomas Harriot, inventor of the inequality sign greater than and less than, born 1560, England, date 1621, all caption mathematician, astronomer, and scientist. Inequality have existed since ancient times when people compared quantities as greater or smaller, longer or shorter, heavier or lighter. In early Greek mathematics, Euclid described such comparison with words, and in the mid-centuries, AI Harassini developed the angle bar that later support to study of linear inequality. The modern symbol for greater than and less than were first introduced by England mathematician Thomas Harriot, who lived from 1560 to 1621 and appeared in his book Artis Analyticae Praxis, published in 1631. This symbol spread quickly in Europe, and in the 18th and 19th centuries, the symbol greater than or equal to and less than or equal to were added from this development. The linear inequality in the variable become established as part of standard algebra and continue to be used worldwide today.